Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a quick look at the OPENROAD 4WD 270 awning. So if you go back to the channel, there's a whole heap of videos on this, but I wanted to just give you a quick look at the lighting system. Now it's daylight now, so what I'm going to do is we're going to flick tonight and you can see it in action. Alright, so as you can see, it lights up really nicely, gives you really good coverage across the entire area. In particular, I always tend to have the kitchen set up under here, which gives me really good lighting. And the beauty of it is you can actually switch off each of the lights individually, which is fantastic. And then you've also got these three different modes. So the orange white, the cool white, and the warm white. And the orange white in particular is really good for bugs. Works absolutely seamlessly, plugs in nice and simple. You can power it off a power bank if you like, if you don't have a 12-volt system in your car, and it basically ticks all your boxes. And the best thing is it's totally integrated into the awning itself, and you can order replacement parts. Even better, if something goes wrong or you damage it, you can order replacement parts for it. So if you want to check this awning out in all its glory, go back to the channel, click on the playlist above, and you'll see everything from the installation all the way through to its various different use cases. Alright guys, take it easy and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.